This is the all-new Dell XPS 13. Now, if you're not too familiar with the XPS 13, I don't know why you wouldn't be familiar with it, but if that's the case, you might not notice the difference too much. It does look very similar in a lot of ways. It has the same, now kind of iconic carbon fiber interior, same platinum silver back. But this is, like I said, all new, and there are a lot of design tweaks here. The bezels, which have always been thin, that was kind of a key innovation of the first XPS 13, are now even thinner. They're almost not even there. The laptop has also been made a little bit thinner, a little bit lighter. It doesn't taper quite as much as it used to, so it feels a lot thinner in the hand. It doesn't look as much at first glance, but once you pick it up, you're really going to notice that. Now, on the internal side, this has your 8th gen Intel Core processors and all the sort of high-end hardware you would normally expect. But to make that hardware perform better, Dell did a few interesting things. One is they've used Gore Fabric in this design. Now that's a fabric that is used in running jackets, biking jackets. It is an extremely good insulator, but also very thin and can be used in a variety of ways to direct the heat within the system. Now, Dell's saying that because they use that, they can boost the performance overall. You're not going to be hitting the thermal limits of the processor as much, so they are promising this will be one of the fastest 13-inch notebooks on the market. We've always liked the Dell XPS 13 a lot at Digital Trends, and from first glance at this, I think this will continue the tradition. Other than everything that's mentioned, the key points that you use when using any laptop, like the keyboard, the touchpad, and the screen, they all seem to be really good. So as long as those are still in place, I think the XPS 13 is going to have no trouble defending its throne in 2018.